Hi friends, what I'm going to tell you comes directly from the mechanics in the shop, so let's take the chance to give you an easy solution for each problem. One of the issues we see a lot in the shop is dashboard alerts, especially the check engine light turning on unexpectedly. Several customers tell us things like, the light came on by itself and then turned off. We explain that most of the time this is caused by sensors losing calibration or loose connectors. Not serious if addressed in time. In the shop, we check the trouble codes, recalibrate the sensors, and, if needed, update the ECU software. As we always say, the car is talking to you, you just have to listen and act before the problem grows. And while we're talking about alerts, another connected issue is jerks or strange shifts in the transmission, especially in CVT models. Some customers report, the SUV gives a small jerk when accelerating, or it seems like the transmission takes time to engage. In the shop, we always explain that this is usually due to irregular fluid pressure, worn solenoids, or transmission software settings. What we do first is check the fluid, then calibrate or adjust the control module, and many times that makes it feel like new. As one of my colleagues says, it's not always broken, sometimes it just needs to be taught to work smoothly. And if we keep talking about how modern this SUV is, we can't ignore electrical and multimedia issues like the touchscreen, CarPlay, or driver assist sensors. Customers have told us the screen freezes or Bluetooth disconnects on its own. We explain that most of the time these are software or communication issues between the unit and the hardware. In the shop, we usually update the system, check connections, and recalibrate sensors, and in persistent cases, we replace the unit. The good news is that with a little preventive maintenance, these annoyances are solved quickly and don't turn into a headache.